the clutter with spring cleaning tips that actually work.
When we're organized, we can find what we need and get to it.
And Dorothy, the organizer, tells us what to save and what to shred. Welcome back, everyone. As the saying goes, a clean home is a happy home. And here to answer all of your questions when it comes to keeping things nice and tidy is Dorothy, the organizer.
Hi,
Welcome,
Karen.
Dorothy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here. You're so good at this. We can't wait.
Well, I love it. And yes, a clean home is a happy home, but it's also a less stressful home. And it's full of time management. It's what we want to do because we don't have to make so many choices. When we're organized, we can find what we need and get to it.
And we get things done better when things are clean and organized. Everything just goes better. So let's dive right into the questions. These are questions from all of you at home, or some of you at home, I should say. First one is from Michelle Marcis in Orlando, Florida. Michelle, take it away.
Hi, Dorothy. My father recently passed, and I inherited a lot of old photos. How should I go about organizing them?
Okay, there you go. That's a good question.
Well, Michelle, thank you. And first of all, I'm sorry your dad passed away. I had my sister pass away recently also. And it's really important to take care of these items. When we're talking about photos, I'd like for you to think about something easy. And this is just a simple box, or you can get a bin, and just take some baggies from the kitchen, grab a marker, and just put on it here, friends, or in this case, it's John. Just lay out all the photos by category, and then you want to put them in baggies and then just stick them in a bin like this. It's not overly organized, but it's super easy to do, and you can find what you need and who you're looking for, whether it's a vacation or a person.
Definitely helps, for
right?
sure. That definitely helps.
So that's one DIY.
Okay.
And this is another DIY.
Okay, it's another option.
It looks a little vintage, right? This is actually
it.
how my mom stores her photos. So I borrowed her suitcase, and this is it. She just puts all her photos in here, and then when people come to visit, she's 86 years old, people come to visit, 4 o'clock coffee, out comes a suitcase, and we just pass the photos around, and everybody's surprised. Nothing is in order, really, but we always know where the photos are.
Isn't that interesting that, you know, as an organizer, that this would be so pleasing? Because, by the way, that's almost more inviting than something like this for people to kind of dive into.
Exactly. Everybody gets involved. Kids,
Excellent.
every age. And then there's one other thing. In case you don't want to do a DIY project, maybe you want to do it for you, kind of have it done for you, rather.
Okay.
And I would suggest using APPO.org, APO.org, and that is the Association of Personal Photo Organizers. Can you believe there are people out there who are going to do it for you and get it into the digital world, and it's done and super organized.
Okay, I love it. Great options there. Let's keep moving here. We got another question from Lisa Ditzler in Kennesaw, Georgia. Take it away, Lisa.
Hi, Dorothy. I love to craft, but my craft room is a mess. Can you help me organize it better? Thanks.
Listen, there's a lot of crafters that watch this show that also have that same question, so go ahead.
Yes,
Dorothy.
well, Lisa, no problem. Yes, we can help you get it organized. And in fact, I saw you had some aqua colors, and we brought some of those colors into this demonstration.
Nice.
But what I want to show you is I didn't see any vertical storage. So this happens to be a vertical shelving unit. It can go as high as you like, and it goes against a wall. Take all the stuff, all that crafting table that I saw that you had, and get it onto a shelving unit so you can actually do the work. And it also moves so that if you need to get more people in or do a big project, this goes in and out real easily. And then finally, see all of these bins?
I do.
They're easy to see through. Either get clear or opaque bins. You can use lids if you want to stack on.
Yep.
But if you want to just get in and out of things really quickly, don't put the lids on, because when you have lids on things, it's harder to get into. Just keep it simple, grab, and do it.
And the clear bins allow you to see what's in the bottom, so it's not as tough to kind of search around for everything just like that.
Yeah, just get all that stuff off the floor and off the table so you can actually do the work in the craft room.
Have you seen our craft room since we got reorganized it?
Yeah, I was spending a couple of hours in there this morning just staring.
All right, let's keep going here. This one is from Laura Palka in Lorain, Ohio. And she asks, when it comes to personal paperwork, what should I keep and how should I organize it? Personal paperwork, if that wasn't clear, sorry.
Got it. So her question is about paperwork. And I just want to say, first of all, we want to keep these important items like passport, birth certificate, death certificate, also estate materials, or as I show here, medical records, that kind of thing. You want to hold on to it, buy and sell items, documents from your house sale, that kind of thing. Other stuff you can find online. It's always there for you. But
Okay.
2 options today.
Great.
First option is if you're the kind of person who likes to have a tactile meeting
Yeah.
with your paperwork, use a binder. Get it all into one place, punch holes in it, and you can grab and go, especially if there's an emergency.
Okay, I love that.
I happen to use Digital Life Cloud. That is a full service, digital everything, whether it's memorabilia, medical, legal, financial, all of it. The best part, Cameron, is you can access it 24/7, anytime, anywhere. And you know, we have California fires out here.
Sure. There's water damage, there's fires that could take care of something like this pretty quickly. So that's a great option because it stays safe. And they help you digitalize it as well. Is that the idea?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can call an organizer and have some help. You can use organizers from NAPO.net, which is the National Association of Professional Organizers or Productivity Organizers.
How about this, everybody? Okay, we want to make sure we have time for this last question. It comes
got
from
it.
Deborah Fessenden in Hesperia, California. She asked, after my mom passed away, we moved into her home to help care for my dad. Since then, my grandmother has moved in with some of her things, and my daughter got married and received a bunch of wedding gifts, and we still have those. We've gotten rid of some items, but the house is still overflowing with stuff. Help.
Right. Well, here's what's happening, Cameron. First of all, good job for getting all of the yard sale done and selling some things and donating. That's item number 1. Very good. But she's stuck in what's called the sandwich generation.
I love this.
Okay, so this is where
Tell us what that means.
we sort of are the baby boomers, and we've got our kids on the one side where they're leaving stuff behind and haven't taken it to their house yet, wedding gifts, as she's saying, or we've got parents who are leaving their inherited stuff to us. So we've got to get to it. And how do we sort through it? You can call, again, one of those organizers from NAPO.net.
Okay.
Or you can use Max Sold, which is a company where they come in and they help you take photos of everything. They list it online for you. They sell it. They take a certain percentage, and it's gone.
But it's a lot easier, even though they take a percentage. Those are great options.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
You're
Dorothy.
welcome.
Yeah, so helpful. Every time you come, we love it. For more information, visit DorothyTheOrganizer.com.
You want to get organized? Come visit me at DorothyTheOrganizer.com. Thanks for watching me on YouTube, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.